Welcome back to my channel again, and in this video we are going to study about digestive system. Digestion is generally of two types. They are mechanical or physical digestion and chemical digestion. So mechanical digestion involves the chewing and grinding, and the chemical digestion involves the breaking down of food by enzymes. Whatever our diet, humans need to process food. So food processing involves ingestion, digestion, and absorption, and lastly excretion. Ingestion is the act of feeding, act of eating. Okay. And the second stage of food processing is digestion, and the digestion means the breaking down of complex food into simple form. After the digestion, the absorption takes place and undigested food is excreted out. The digestion starts from mouth. In the mouth, we have a salivary glands, and the salivary glands produces saliva, and the saliva contains the following enzymes. Number one is salivary amylase, and this amylase breaks down the complex carbohydrates into simple carbohydrates. And number two is linguolipase. This enzyme breaks down the lipids or fats into fatty acids and glycerol. And the number three we have is lysozyme. This enzyme kills the harmful germs that are entering along with the food. After the partial digestion in the mouth, the food is transferred to the stomach through esophagus. When the food reaches the stomach will release gastric juice. Now, gastric juice contains the following enzymes. Number one, we have hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid activates the pepsinogen into pepsin. Now, the pepsin breaks down proteins into amino acid. And the number three, gastric juice contains gastric lipase. Gastric lipase breaks down lipids or fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Number four we have is gastric acid or gastric stomach acid. Now this acid kills the harmful microorganism entering into the stomach along with the food. After the digestion in the stomach, the food is transferred to the small intestine, and in the small intestine, the liver releases the bile juice into the small intestine, and pancreas also releases the pancreatic juice into the small intestine. In the small intestine, three important juices are produced. First one is bile juice is produced by liver, pancreatic juice is produced by pancreas, and intestinal juice is produced by intestinal wall. The main function of bile juice is to neutralize the acidic food coming from the stomach. And number two is emulsifies or break down fats into smaller molecules. Number two, we have a pancreatic juice, which is released by pancreas, and the pancreatic juice contains trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen, which are activated into trypsin and chymotrypsin respectively by enterokinase. And after that, they breaks down proteins. Number two enzyme is pancreatic lipase, which breaks down complex carbohydrates into simple form. And number three is pancreatic lipase. This lipase breaks down for lipids or fats. And number four is nuclease, and this breaks down the nucleic acid. Okay. Third juice we have is intestinal juice, which is produced by intestinal wall, and the intestinal juice contains the following enzymes called ellipsin, maltase, sucrase, lipase, and lactase. So ellipsin breaks down proteins, and maltase breaks down maltose, sucrase breaks down sucrose, and lipase breaks down lipids, and lactase breaks down lactose. After the digestion, the absorption takes place in the small intestine. The small intestine is the place where the maximum absorption takes place. The undigested food is passed to the large intestine, and large intestine absorb the remaining water, vitamins, minerals from the undigested food, and finally the undigested food is excreted out. This diagram represents the summary of the digestive system, and the digestion starts from mouth. and ends at anus. In the mouth, the partial digestion happens, and this partially digested food is passed to the stomach through esophagus, and stomach digests the food further, and the stomach passes the food to small intestine, and the finally small intestine digests the food and absorbs the food, and then undigested food is passed to the large intestine, and large intestine pass the undigested food out of the body in the process known as excretion. The liver releases the bile, and pancreas releases the pancreatic juice. They are important for the digestion of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in the body. So that and thank you, and see you in the next video.